Hi, this is Franco. Today I'd like to present my machine learning result based on the Shiny AI build. The user interface is really clean and simple, but has lots of useful information here. The first one, we select the single variable models, and now you can select attribute. You can select one or multiple attribute to compare. So if I add a year, the legend here will be changed dynamically to help user identify the color and what they are. As you can see clearly, the year didn't perform as well as a category if they both are single variable models. Of course, you can select all of them, which gets quite busy, and deselect all as well. In my case, all the single variable models perform quite poorly. If I go to multi-variable models, and here's a little text box, color-coded, will tell you which features has been used to build different models. As I personally believe, different models should have different feature selection method to suit that model. Some model taking the categorical variable better, or some model taking numerical variable, or both. The first one go with a penalized lasso regression, which is a logistic regression as well. But instead of using a maximum likelihood estimator, we use least absolute shrinkage selection operator to do the feature selection. The first one is optimal lambda, which uses the majority, the most number of the features here, roughly around 7. The performance on the testing data is really well. But if I change to the second one, which is more balanced lambda, which will drop another 2 features, as you can see, the performance is still very good, very close to the first one. So in this case, simpler model is always more preferred. If I use a simple random forest, you can see the performance is actually quite poor. That's definitely due to the overfitting issue we have because a lot of variable here being used. And then I use a recursive feature elimination for the random forest. As you can see, the performance is a lot better now, and the feature is a lot less as well. And for this last one, I actually exclude the feature video view because that's a common sense, and that will definitely link to the income of the YouTube. But the second important variable becomes subscribers, and also country quite useful as well. The last one we go to clustering. As you can see, here's a selector. You can select how many k-mean cluster you would like to use or present on the plot. Here we select 2. You can select 4, 7, or 8. I'll leave with 8 now because that's the best recommendation based on the Helensky-Harabash index. And here's the slider. You can drop the transparency of the points all the way down to see only the center point, which is quite useful because that's a fundamental behind the k-mean clustering. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.